Hey guys, welcome back to Lawn Lessons with Jordan. Today we're going to be talking about a fall lawn care guide that you can do for your lawn to get it ready this winter and next spring. Let's dive in. Fall is a very important time to take care of your lawn, from mowing to watering to getting it ready for winter. Ultimately, we're going to be preparing it for next spring so we have a nice green, thick, healthy lawn. So we're going to be going through the steps that you need to do in order to have that good lawn next spring and not cause any further issues for this fall. First things first, keep leaves, sticks, and debris out of your yard as much as possible, because those leaves can actually build up, and when they build up on your lawn, they can create moisture levels. It's going to be inviting disease into the lawn, which we don't want. Also, if those leaves pile up and let's say you leave them over winter, they're going to actually kill off that grass that they're sitting on. Then you're going to have huge bare spots in that spring, and we do not want that. Keep that lawn clean, especially going into winter. Next up, we have fall fertilization. We want to be giving the grass roots the nutrients it needs to get through that winter, even though it's going to be going dormant, and so it can be ready to, get going in the springtime. That way, once your grass bounces back in the spring, it'll be thicker, greener, ready to go. Think of it as stocking up the pantry before a long winter. Fall is also the prime time to tackle perennial weeds in your lawn. So you want to make sure you take out all the weeds you can. Let's say you have clover, you have crabgrass, you have dandelions, all those type of things. You want to make sure you get those taken care of now, because those weeds are only going to come back in the spring stronger. If your lawn has bare spots or feels compacted, fall is the best time to do the aerating, or let's do the aeration overseeding combo, right? By doing the aerating in the fall, it's going to open up that lawn up, let it breathe. It's going to be getting air, water, nutrients, oxygen, all those good things down into the soil layer, into that root layer especially. So then that lawn can naturally kind of thicken up, especially if you add seed over time, and have it thick and healthy for next year to prevent any type of weeds or anything from coming into the lawn. Don't stop watering just because it's cooler. Full season grasses need about 1 inch of watering per week, even in cooler temperatures or until the grass freezes. A lot of times people think it's cooler, I don't need to water, but that can actually have a negative effect on the lawn and especially the grass. Especially if you're doing new seeding though, you do need to keep up on the watering as well. Make sure that you really take hold of that until that grass seed germinates and gets it to a established point. If you follow these steps, your lawn will be set up for success through winter, and it'll be ready for the springtime again, coming out of that springtime. Nice green, thick, and weed free. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.